What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Just a Fun Guy. This is Just a Fun Guy Coins. And I'm enjoying the beautiful outdoors. Well, I was, but I'm getting sweaty because it's also kind of humid today. Of course, I have crappy lighting out here. My face looks like I'm glowing because I'm looking towards the sun, but I'm going inside anyway. But enough about me. In case you haven't heard, which I'm pretty sure everyone has, because this is just, well, it's sad news. Queen Elizabeth II, the Queen of England, has passed away at 96. And her death is sad, yes. And it has shocked a lot of people. And the whole country, the whole world is actually mourning right now. And not only is this history all over the world, it's also history in the coin collecting world as well. When the monarch dies and the next monarch takes over, the last monarch is taken off the currency and the current one is placed there. So 2022 is going to be the last year you'll ever see Queen Elizabeth's face on currency. Prince Charles's face is going to be on the currency now. So if you see a 2022 anything with Queen Elizabeth's face on it, I would keep it. I am predicting that those coins are going to rise in value. I'm also predicting a lot of the 1952 Canadian and Great Britain currency are going to rise in value as well, because that was the first year that she was queen. So if you see 2022 anything with the Queen's face on it, I would keep it. And that's the history, that's groundbreaking history news for the coin world. And the next year, when the new coins come out, Prince Charles's face is going to be on them, and I'm expecting those to rise in value as well. So, keep a lookout for those. That being said, I'm Just a Fun Guy. I'm signing off. So long, YouTube.